Today we have 3c whole cube is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1. Let's solve this problem. According to exponential law, we can write this as 3 to the power 3 into c to the power 3 is equal to 1, because according to exponential law, ab whole cube m is equal to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. So 3 to the power 3 multiplied by c to the power 3 is equal to 1. Now we can write it as c to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. C to the power 3 is equal to, we can also write it as this, because according to exponential law, a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole cube m. Now c cube minus 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to 0. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this rule, we can write it as c minus 1 by 3 into c square plus c into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 0. Now c minus 1 by 3 into c square plus c by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square. So we can write it as 1 by 3 is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 by 3. So the value of c is equal to 1 by 3, or c square plus c by 3 plus 1 by 3 square is equal to 0. Here c is equal to 2a minus b plus b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 3, and c is equal to 1 by 3 whole square. So c is equal to 2 to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus root over 1 by 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 3 square. So 2 minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 square minus 4 1 by 3 square. 2 1 by 3 plus minus, here we can take common 1 by 3 square. So 1 by 3 square bracket 1 minus 4. So 2 1 by 3 plus minus, here we can separate them, square minus 3. So 2 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 root 3i, because root over minus 1 is equal to I. So here we can also write 3 minus 1 plus minus root 3i. So minus 1 plus minus root 3i to 6. So C is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 plus minus root 3i divided by 6. That's the final answer.